Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to make text in a shape transparent in PowerPoint. Let's get started. At first, you have to open a PowerPoint presentation. Then you want to make text in a shape transparent. At first, go to the home menu, select the new slide drop down menu and choose the blank slide. Then go to the insert menu, select the shape option. Now I am select any shape, select the rectangle top corner rounded. Now you want to add the text, go back again the insert menu, select the text box, then draw any text box and write anything. Then select the text box and move in shape, then make to the text box send to back. Go to the format menu and select the send backward option and make send to back. Now but we can see here not showing the text. Now we want to make the shape transparent, then showing the text. Select the format shape option and enable the fill, then increase the transparency of the shape, and now we can see the text is showing. Now we can see we make the shape transparent very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.